Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pairing your hardware and account so Apple Pay can bridge to your PC. Make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch already has Apple Pay and matches the Apple ID on the computer. Once done, enable Bluetooth and iCloud on both devices. This allows proximity verification. Next, open the supported browser, Safari on Mac, Chrome or Edge on Windows with the appropriate extension or WebAuthn support, and navigate to the checkout to trigger Apple Pay as a payment option. Now you'll authorize the payment from your trusted device. When you choose Apple Pay on the PC, the browser sends a secure token request to your iPhone or Apple Watch. You'll see a payment sheet or receive a prompt. Authenticate by double-clicking the iPhone's side button and using Face ID or Touch ID, or double-click the Apple Watch side button if it's unlocked. The device signs the transaction cryptographically, so your card number never touches the website. This preserves privacy and security. Complete the purchase by confirming the success message on the PC and checking the payment notification on your iPhone or Apple Watch. If the prompt never appears, first toggle Bluetooth and restart both devices, then sign out and back into iCloud and update the OS and browser to the latest version. Make sure the card and bank support Apple Pay in your region. If issues persist, remove and re-add the card or contact your bank. This resolves most tokenization or authorization failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.